Hi, Sarah from Fine and Country. You join me here today in Warwick, in Mill Gardens, with views across to the iconic Warwick Castle that was built in 1068 by William the Conqueror. Mill Street is perfectly located in the centre of Warwick, with Warwick Boat and Tennis Club, the River Avon, St Nicholas's Park, Warwick School to one side, and the town centre of Warwick with all of its amenities to the other side. This is a unique opportunity to buy a Grade 2 listed 5-bedroom townhouse that dates back to the 17th century. So come with me, let's take a look around. Thank you for watching the video, and if you'd like any further information or to book a viewing, please contact me on the details that follow.